What's going on, guys? This is part 4 of my indie game series where I attempt to take a game from idea to release and try and get it to generate $1,000 a month and also take you guys on that journey with me. Today's video is all about monetization, and I'm going to be sharing the strategies I'm going to be using for this particular game to try and get it profitable. So for those of you who follow this channel, you know that I monetize my games exclusively with Skillz. And for those of you who are newcomers to the channel, you don't know what Skillz is. Basically, it's an SDK which turns your game into a competitive experience where players can come and compete against each other for real world prizes like cash. The reason why I like to monetize my games with Skillz because it's a proven business model for me that works, as well as I like the competition aspect of things. I myself am very competitive by nature, and I find that adding a competitive twist to your games really drives that retention and engagement inside of your game. So in a nutshell, to summarize how the monetization with Skillz works, is that players need to make a deposit into their Skillz wallet, which they can use across all a variety of Skillz games. They then use that wallet to enter into real money tournaments, and the winner of those tournaments will win both entry fees minus a small fee, which will go to the developer, which is myself, as well as Skillz. So it's a 50-50 revenue split, and like I said, it's been working pretty well for me over the years, and I've been able to build a solid business using the strategy. In addition to Skillz, I have also decided to use ads for the first time in this particular game. And a lot of you are probably shocked because I have never been a fan of using ads as a monetization strategy, simply because of the fact that I think ultimately it takes away from the player's experience if it hasn't been implemented correctly. You see a lot of developers just try and spam the shit out of the game with ads, and this really crushes your attention. Players simply just don't want to play the game because ultimately if you're showing an ad every few seconds, it becomes unplayable.
Oh my god.
I am so done with this stupid game!
You lost!
And this is something I really wanted to avoid in my own games. However, talking to other successful developers and listening to their ad strategies, I came to realize that it can be a very powerful tool to boost overall revenue. So it's a personal experiment for me to see how well it accompanies Skillz as a monetization platform. So I've decided to use ads in the non-cash games simply because I don't want to affect anything when players are playing for real money. I don't want to affect any conversion rates. So yeah, it's a good experiment for me, and I'm glad to be able to share these results with you when I get that data. So for my ad strategy, I've decided to use Unity ads just because I've heard they have really good support. Unlike Google, sorry Google, but you guys need to work on your support. It's absolutely horrible. And I have decided to use a banner ad during gameplay for non-cash tournaments. I have also decided to show an interstitial video ad after every 3 matches that a player plays. And then finally, I have incorporated unlockable items within the game, and players can earn coins to unlock them. However, if they want to earn additional coins, they can also watch a rewarded video ad. So in the future videos, when I show all the results, I'll show you the ECPMs and all that good stuff that we are getting for this particular game. So hit that subscribe button if you want to follow along on this journey. As you can see, these are not very complex monetization strategies. It's something anyone can integrate into their games, and it's going to be very exciting when we get to the meat and potatoes of this series and I'm able to share the results with you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. It does help a lot and it gives me motivation to continue doing these videos for you. And also subscribe if you want to follow along with this journey. We are getting to the more exciting parts soon. So yeah, stay tuned and I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace out.